So hi everyone, this is Neeraj Kumar, one of the representative of Bari English Academy. And today guys, we have got very beautiful guests and they both belong to hospitality industry. आप सभी के हो सकता है कई सारे क्वेश्चन है कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी के अंदर जाने के बाद किस तरह का रवैया रहना चाहिए होता है इंसान का और किस तरह की चीजें ध्यान देने की जरूरत होती है. सो वी गाइज हैव गॉट दीज टू पीपल जो आपके क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देंगे. जरिया बरी इंग्लिश अकेडमी और यहाँ पर लिखे हुए कुछ क्वेश्चंस होंगे, लेकिन आई होप सो कि सेशन के लास्ट तक जाते जाते आपको उन सभी क्वेश्चंस के आंसर मिल सके. सो गाइज कैसे आप दोनों?
And I'm working in hospital. I'm responsible for coordinating foreign patients to the hospital. So I'm basically responsible to receive the patients. They are foreigners and make all the arrangements. They need to be served in the hospital.
Okay, yeah, please.
My name is Khushi Sharma. I have done a course of tourism and hospitality, and I had experience of somewhere one year in a hotel, 5-star hotel in restaurant.
So I've got a question, and the question is, what is hospitality, by the way? What is hospitality?
Okay. See, when we generally visit a place, what we expect? A generous, a friendly environment,
Exactly.
a friendly reception. जो हमें वहाँ के लोगों से रिसीव होती है, whether it's a
Absolutely.
hospital, hotel, or any place, even in another foreign land. That's what hospitality is. Like, it involves creating a friendly and safe environment to the guests or to anyone whom we are going to interact. Like we can say, hospitality is in our Indian roots. We have been receiving our guests. That's what we say, Atiti Devo Bhava.
Absolutely.
That's what it is. And now we can see hospitality has become an industry which is growing, and it's a very interesting. It's just people needs to know what is actually hospitality and how interesting it is. It depends on one's experience.
Absolutely right. Even in India, people believe that hospitality is one of the roots which is associated with our culture, and we have been doing it as you just stated, Atithi Devo Bhava. So I've got a question for you, Khushi, that how is your experience that you already worked in Radisson Blu and you also worked in several other hotels and you worked in 5-star hotel too. So how was your experience there?
Okay, so what I got from my experience, if you are a fresher, it is not an easy job for you. When I was a fresher, I know that on the first day of mine, I just left the hotel. I reached home and I just started crying because I have never done work in hotel industry. I got the theoretical knowledge about the hotel industry, but I have never experienced that. But when I got the experience, I got to know that it is not easy for a girl like me, because it is not a place where you are going to adapt very soon. And I was very nervous, first of all, because you are interacting with so many guests, and the job is not easy at all. You have to stand for like 9 to 10 hours. So it was my first time. Experience was not so good, but I would say somehow I managed, and now I'm doing.
So do you love your work right now?
Yeah, I'm enjoying the work because I like to serve people. I like to interact with new people. So I would say that I managed to work in this
Okay, I
industry.
want to ask you one more question. That you have been working for last almost a year. So what is something that you learned after joining hospitality?
What I learned patience from that industry, because your supervisor, your seniors will say that no matter from which condition you are going, you have to make a smile on your face, because no matter what is going in your personal life,
Right.
you do not have to pretend in front of guests. You always have to pretend that you are okay, you are doing well in life, and you have to receive them with a smile on your face.
Okay, yeah. So now I've got one more question. What are the career opportunities in this industry?
Okay, see, what we often think is hospitality is something connected to only hospitals and hotels.
Hmm.
But hospitality has a wide range of job opportunities.
Exactly. It is not only associated with
Exactly.
hospitals and
Exactly.
restaurants, hotels.
Like you can say, if you are into tourism, tour guides, travel officers can be your option if you want to go into hospitality. And airlines, railway lines, and the cruise, which is I personally believe is a very interesting thing. You have career opportunities in these fields as well, and they all are connected to hospitality. Not only that, like in hospitality, we have a very highly paid jobs as general managers of the hospitals. Of course, we have all range of the jobs, all level of the jobs like receptionist, service manager, patient, which I am doing right now. You are responsible. You are going to be responsible for receiving patients, and this is actually like you are serving people who are actually in need. So this is something you will love it, and this is also something satisfying. Another thing is, you know, there are another entertaining fields are casinos, pubs, theme park managers,
Hmm.
event managers. They
Right.
all are connected to hospitality. So this is only a conception, but I think hospitality has much to offer, and we are yet to experience all of this.
Exactly. So where do you find that this field gives you more opportunities? In India, do we have more opportunities of this, or we should go and we should look for the abroad?
Look, it depends on you. See, if you are Indian and you would love to, you are a loving person, you can find anywhere. You can go anywhere. But I personally believe foreigners or the international hospitality has much to offer. Like as Khushi has mentioned, in India it is difficult if you are a fresher. But if you go to outside, you have not only salary, because if you go to Gulf countries, you might have not much salary like 50,000 or 70,000, only that. And in India, it is only 20 or 30,000, not much than that. But in Gulf countries, if you are one year experience, they have much things. Like other than salary, there are many other perks. Like they will provide you free accommodation, which is not actually provided in India. And if you want to explore something new at foreign land, a free accommodation is actually very important.
Exactly.
Other than that, like Gulf countries, at starting, they will offer you a ticket, airline tickets to visit your home country once in a year, but after a while, they will offer you multiple tickets, which is not provided in India. And there's another thing, like in India, casinos, clubs, spas, and wellness centers, they are not very like people doesn't take these a very well or good careers. But if you go outside, like you can see Thailand and Indonesia, they are actually totally based on traveling.
Exactly. Tourism.
Their all economy comes from tourism, so they are very welcoming, and you can find these areas much entertainment and much more things to enjoy there, entertain there, experience. You will experience there. So I think, I personally believe, if you want to go outside, just go for it. If you are loving person to if you don't want to explore other countries and you want to stay in India, then of course this is also an option.
So, how this hospitality industry got affected in COVID-19?
So, as we know that COVID-19 was not a very easy time for all India, and hospitality industry also faced significant challenges, like there were massive cancellation of bookings and
Hmm.
events,
Exactly.
and people lost their jobs. And the major thing I would like to mention that Indian hospitality face a loss of 1.5 lakh crores.
1.5 lakh crore. My
which-
God,
Because
huge amount.
we know that Indian economic mostly based on tourism and hospitality field, but people are not traveling. So at that point of time, all the restaurant and all the hotels were facing problems, but somehow they adapted by measuring some, like applying some social distancing rules. But still, it was not a very easy year for hospitality industry. But after the COVID-19, again the boom happened in hospitality industry, because people like to travel, whether it is about domestic, it is about international, people like to travel. So it was a very hard financial year for hospitality industry. Somehow they managed, but they faced a loss which was not a very small amount.
Okay, so before ending this podcast, I've got last question for you. That what makes a restaurant, a hotel, great?
I think if you are going to open a restaurant, first you have to see that from a guest point of view. If you are going to a
Very
restaurant, what
important
you
point.
are expecting there. And in this era, people do consider a good, like they expect good food, good drinks in a decent amount according to your ambience and according to your exceptional guest services. All the things are connected to each other. If you are not able to fulfill the one thing, so I think maybe there is chances that your restaurant will not work. Because sometimes your ambience also important, because this time people are more on social media. They cannot taste the food by social media, but they can see the pictures. So they prefer a good ambience and the food. If your ambience is good, they are ready to pay the amount. But your food should be good, your guest service should be good, your ambience should be good, and that can make a restaurant a very like beautiful place.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर दीज टू पीपल हु हैव कम हियर और जिन्होंने हमारे साथ इस पॉडकास्ट के अंदर बहुत अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर करी. देखिए, आप में से बहुत से लोग होंगे जो शायद इस फील्ड में जाना चाहते हैं, जिसे हमने कहा हॉस्पिटैलिटी. सो वी आर रियली थैंकफुल फॉर दीज टू पीपल जिन्होंने हमारे साथ आकर अपनी इन्फॉर्मेशन साझा करी और कुछ ऐसी चीजें बताई जो शायद हमारे लिए जानना बहुत जरूरी था. तब तक के लिए गाइज, stay connected with us and we are going to meet you in the next upcoming podcast. Till then, thank you so much for connecting with us.